Hey guys, this is Edward from Edward Labs. Today we are going to see how to check information about your system using command prompt. Let's get started. At first open command prompt as administrator. Type WMIC, it will open an interactive mode prompt root/clack install. Baseboard list brief. This command gives you information about the mainboard in use. In my case, my system is using mainboard manufactured by Dell. CPU get name. This command gives you information about CPU in use. My system is running Intel R Core TM i5 CPU M560 at 2.67 GHz. MEMORYCHIP get BankLabel, DeviceLocator, capacity, speed. This command gives you information about RAM in use. Computer is configured with 4 GB of RAM in this case. OS get Caption OSArchitecture. This command gives you information about operating system and OS architecture. This system is running on Microsoft Windows 10 Home Single Language 64-bit. Diskdrive get model, size. This command gives you information about the hard disk drive. This system is using Western Digital hard drive with approx. 320 GB capacity. Logicaldisk get name, size. This command gives information about drives with drive names. Hard drive is divided into 3 parts, C, D, and E in this case. Sounddev get caption. This command gives information about sound drivers. This system uses integrated high-definition audio device and Intel R display audio. Product get name. This command gives information about software installed on computer. This might take some time to load. These are the software installed in this computer. Path Win32_video controller get name. This command gives you information about the graphics card. This system is configured with integrated Intel R HD graphics. No dedicated graphics is installed. NIC get caption. This command gives you information about network card. These are the network cards that are available in this computer. So these were some important commands that you can use to find the information about your computers. I will leave these commands in description in case you need it, just for your reference. This is how you can find information about your computers using WMIC. If you guys have any doubts, you can comment below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's all for today. Be signing off. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.